हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनिक्स बायोलॉजी। आज हम बायोकेमिस्ट्री के प्रोटीन चैप्टर के कुछ एमसीक्यूज देखेंगे जो आपको एमएससी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के लिए बहुत काम आएंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच अमाइनो एसिड इज इसेंशियल अमाइनो एसिड? ए leucine, B arginine, C valine and D alanine, and the correct answer is B alanine. Question number 2, which bond joins two amino acids? A hydrogen, B peptide, C ionic bond and the D glycosidic bond, and the correct answer B peptide bond. Question number 3, give example of basic amino acid. A glutamic acid, B serine, C lysine and the D valine, and the correct answer is basic amino acid is lysine. Question number 4, alpha helix and beta sheet structure are stabilized by A disulfide bond, B hydrogen bond, C ionic bond and D peptide bond, and the correct answer is hydrogen bond. Question number 5, the primary structure of protein is A folding of chain, B sequence of amino acid, C interactions between subunits, and D 3D configuration, and the correct answer is B sequence of amino acids. Question number 6, disulfide bonds are formed between A lysine residues, B glycine residues, C cysteine residues and D proline residues, and the correct answer cysteine residues. Question number 7, hemoglobin is an example of A simple protein, B conjugated protein, C derived protein and D enzymes, and the correct answer is B, it's example of conjugated protein. Question number 8, the bond present in primary protein structure: A hydrogen bond, B peptide bond, C ionic bond, D disulfide bond, and the correct answer is peptide bond. Question number 9, non-polar amino acids: A serine, B alanine, C tyrosine and D histidine, and the correct answer is B alanine. Question number 10, which is not an essential amino acid? A leucine, B threonine, C glutamate and D lysine, and the correct answer is C glutamate. Question number 11, myoglobin has only primary structure, B primary and secondary structure, C up to tertiary structure and D quaternary structure, and the correct answer is C up to tertiary structure. Question number 12, silk fibroin has A alpha helix, B beta sheet, C tertiary folds and D disulfide links, and the correct answer B beta sheet folds. Question number 13, protein structure is destroyed during hydrolysis, B denaturations, C phosphorylation and D acetylation, and the correct answer is denaturation. Question number 14, albumin is a conjugated protein, B simple protein, C derived protein, D glycoprotein, and the correct answer is B simple protein. Question number 15, secondary structure is stabilized by hydrophobic bonds, B peptide bond, C hydrogen bond and D disulfide bond, and the correct answer is hydrogen bonds. 16, a dipeptide contain A 1 peptide bond, B 2 peptide bond, C 3 peptide bond and D 4 peptide bond, and the correct answer is one peptide bond. Question number 17. Function of the ferritin: A. Structural, B. Enzymatic, C. Storage, and D. Transport. Correct answer is C. Storage. Question number 18. Which is a sulfur containing amino acid? A. Threonine, B. Methionine, C. Serine, and D. Tyrosine. And the correct answer is B is a sulfur containing amino acid. Question number 19. Example of quaternary structure: A. Myoglobin, B. Hemoglobin, C. Albumin, D. Insulin. And the correct answer is hemoglobin. Question number 20. Glycine is a unique because it is acidic, it is essential, it lacks a chiral center, and D. It is aromatic. And the correct answer is it lacks a chiral center. Thank you.